Welcome to today's tutorial, where we're diving into Telegram's latest update and uncovering how to search for music like a pro on the web version for PC. If you've ever struggled to find that one song buried in chats or channels, this feature is about to make your life much easier. Let's jump right in. To get started, open Telegram Web on your computer. Whether you're using Chrome, Edge, or any other browser, log into your account as usual. Once you're in, take a look at the top of the screen. You'll notice the search bar sitting front and center. This is your gateway to finding anything, including music. Click on that search bar and watch as a drop-down menu appears. Here's where the magic happens. Among the options like chats, media, and files, you'll now see music listed. This is Telegram's way of prioritizing your audio searches. Select it, and the interface will shift to focus solely on music files shared in your chats, groups, or channels. Now, type in your search. Looking for a specific track? Type the title or artist. Want to revisit a song a friend sent last week? Just type a keyword from the chat. Telegram's filters will instantly display relevant results, pulling from audio files, voice messages, or even shared playlists. The more specific your query, the faster you'll find what you need. The beauty of this update lies in its simplicity. Gone are the days of scrolling endlessly through conversations. With the music filter, everything is streamlined. Found your track? Click to play it directly within Telegram, or download it with one tap for offline listening. A quick tip. If you're part of music-focused channels or groups, this feature becomes even more powerful. Use it to explore shared albums, discover new artists, or revisit old favorites. And don't forget, Telegram supports high-quality audio so the sound will be as crisp as the search itself. That's all it takes. 3 steps to transform how you find music on Telegram Web. Whether you're curating a playlist, sharing songs with friends, or just enjoying your personal library, this update puts everything at your fingertips. Try it out today and let us know how it works for you. Thanks for watching and happy listening.